Now, this is a fan submitted burger. He said the other day he made a steakhouse burger with SPG, that's salt, pepper, garlic. He mixed together some barbecue sauce and A1, finished it with some compound butter and some onion straws. He said it wasn't a wild combination, but just delicious. You ready to cook it? Let's go. All right, guys, we'll be cooking tonight's burger on the Monument Grill's Eminence 605. Let's turn our lights on. This is a 6-burner. It's got the additional sear burner back there. Comes with the rotisserie and the additional sear zone. Perfect for cooking steaks. Great for grilling burgers and anything else you want to grill. Let's get this grill turned on. All right, folks, so there we go. There are our ingredients. We've got salt, pepper, garlic. Let's blend those together. We've got some barbecue sauce and some A1 sauce. We'll blend that together, stir it. We'll give it a good stir, combine it. Now, while I was shopping, I found this A1 Steakhouse Burger. Pretty delicious. So we'll use that for our compound burger, for our compound butter on our burger. And we've got our crispy onion straws. Now let's season up these burgers. Flip them over to the other side. We don't want no bland burgers, right? One of the things that I like to do with my burgers, especially for the buns, is to put a little oil or butter on there. That just helps them to get nice and toasty. You can even season that top side of your bun, rub it with a little bit of that oil, and then season it as well. All right, guys, let's get our burgers on the grill. And while those burgers are cooking, I like to toast my buns, and I'll do that right up here on the warming rack. Again, we sprayed them with oil, sprayed the top with oil, and hit it with a little bit of that seasoning as well. So one of the things I like to do with my burgers is I'll turn them 90 degrees to create those diamonds. And here I'm using the Monument Grill's tong set, spatula and tong set. Got a nice long handle to keep your hands out of the box there. Give these buns a flip. What do you think about that, guys? Golden brown, huh? Let's give these burgers a flip. I think the buns are ready to come off. Set those to the side. Let's insert our temperature probes. So let's set our temperature probes to hamburger. All right, guys, our burgers are ready. Let's grab them off the grill, bring them over here and plate it up. All right, guys, so here's our burgers. So this burger called for salt, pepper, garlic. We seasoned our burger that way. We also seasoned the buns like that. Let's take our bun. Now it said, finished it with a compound butter. Put some of that on our burger there. Let's also put some on our bun over here. Take our burger, hit it with a little bit more of that butter. Let's hit it with some of that barbecue sauce. We'll put some over here on this bun. We'll take our crispy onions, put those guys up there. I think it'll make the flip. Let's put our burger together. How about that, guys? See if I can get a picture of it real quick. All right, we got some pictures of it. Now let's take a bite. Thanks for your suggestion on this Steakhouse Burger. Let's take a bite. Oh yeah, I like how the barbecue sauce and the steak sauce kind of work together. The crispy onions add some texture. That butter adds richness. And the seasoning on the bun brings it all together for a little salty, over the top bite. Thank you for submitting your burger. And if you're watching this at home, make sure that you submit your burger ideas. That's fantastic.